Hello everyone, welcome back. We are on step 27 of learning HTML forms by building a registration form on freeCodeCamp.org. Step 27. Within each corresponding label element and immediately after the input element, add a space and add the following text. Okay, so we're going to put that right here for the first one. Personal account. Business account. And for this one, it's going to be I accept the terms and conditions. Like that. And we need to remember to add a space. I forgot to do that. And let's see if that works. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that helpful, and I will see you next time.